Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 6 for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. I am using this month, I'm using Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Round 10, I'm using her sketches to complete my layouts. And today's sketch is number 30, and it is by Kathy Zakharuk. Let me put it up there. If you guys go over to Christy's Beautiful Life, you will see all the credit for those who have created sketches. She is known on YouTube as Canadian Scrapper Girl and on Instagram as Scrap Girl 2018. Anywho, so that's the origin of the sketch. Now for this one, I am pulling in some things that I received at a retreat in September. I have 3 little tags here, and I don't know, I'm leaning towards this one because it blends well with the paper, but I really like both of these as well. And if I choose to use this one, I'm going to be honest, I'm going to use the leaves. The blue doesn't go with the layout, but I love the tag. But these bright green leaves will go with the layout, I think. So I'm tempted to pull it apart and use the different pieces, which I hope Catherine doesn't mind. I love this, y'all. You know I don't do mixed media. Let me move these. But this is like embossing gel. She watercolored the background of the tag and then put this stenciled embossing gel over it with these stars. It is beautiful, absolutely stunning, and I want to use that tag all by itself. Can I just make a 6x6 layout with just the tag and a photo? So I'm thinking, I love this, and I don't know who made this one, and I don't know who made this one. They're not identified on the back, but either of these would work terrific with my layout. This one has a little bit more white in it, and it's more of an off-white in my background here. So I'm not sure, but I want to wait until I get to the point where I'm ready to add these in. And someone took a lot of time. Maybe, I don't know if they stamped this. Looks like maybe they stamped it and watercolored it. I don't know. Or maybe fussy cut it out of paper and then put some embossing gel of some sort with glitter in it on the wings. Absolutely stunning. Anywho, so that's where I'm starting with those embellishments, thinking about using them. And then also these are the 2 background papers that I pulled in. I'm not sure if I'm going to put, whenever I have a small pattern like this, a lot of times I feel like I want to put a background piece of paper on there, and I'm just not sure. The sketch itself looks like it has 1 photo, so I have pulled 1 photo. And then as far as embellishments go, I have this one, this heart that says Dream On. These stickers left over from a Close to My Heart kit. Those go with it. These are rub-ons from American Crafts, and so I'm thinking those. These are rub-ons. I don't know where I got them, but I'm thinking they're very pale cream color. Then I pulled in these silver frames. I figured I might as well try and use some more. I pulled in this set of phrases, if you will, words. This set of SCI stickers. This is one of them that I cut out from right here. So I want to try and use something from there. I'm thinking this sticker, maybe. We'll see. I pulled in all 3 of these sticker sheets. I have pulled in again my chipboard. And then I have pulled in these stickers from Creative Imaginations. Anywho, so I'm going to get to work, and I'm going to see what I can create with these supplies that I have pulled together, and we'll go from there. I'll be back. I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created in just a minute. Okay, I am done with layout number 6, and let me show you the products I did not use. I did not use either of these tags. I really thought that I would, but I didn't end up using them. That's okay, they'll go back into my stash. I did not use these rub-ons. And here are the offcuts of the paper that I did use. That's just the branding strip from the striped paper. I used scraps from these 2 pieces. And here's the stripe piece. And then these are the frames, what I have left of them. Embellishment wise too, I added in all 3 sets of bling. These floral blings, these bow bunny jewels and pearls, and then these eyelet outlet blings. I did pull the flower and green leaves off of this one, and I did use the green leaves. I did use this alphabet, and I can tell you it is going into my get rid of. Y'all, I'm tired of messing with these puffy alphabets that come up. And I don't know if you can see in the package. You maybe can't see, but they are rolled up. There was no adhesive left on those at all. So those, I'm not even going to try and use them again. They'll go into my do not want bin. If somebody else wants to struggle with them, they can. I did use a bow from this pack. I did use a heart from this chipboard sheet. I did use a label from here. I did use these phrase stickers. I did use the sticker that I wanted to from here. I used some of these little bitty pieces from there. Again, more of the little pieces and more of the little pieces from here. And then I did use that journal spot that I had here. I used the words from here. I used the floral image that I had from here. And then I did use these rub-ons, and they worked great. You can't see them a lot, but anywho, here is the layout that I created, and it just says Life Dream Completed here, and you can see I have glued those alphabets down, and they do not want to stay down. They're still poking up some. Anywho, I added the leaves that I cut off the tag here to match this, the green here, and then I added a green butterfly up here to pull the green into 3 places. But typically these are actually my 3 clusters here, here, and here. You can see I put my frames all around, and on each of the frames is the rub-ons. I put that craft color flower here with the words, the little label down here with the heart, little bits of random stickers stuck in. There's a heart there. There's that sticker with my journaling on it. More little random bits and pieces. A small sticker and a bit of bling. More bling and lots of small stickers up here. Then I took some scraps that I just have up at the top of my desk, and I created all these little banners. Put that sticker on a piece of scrap cardstock, and then put the green butterfly to balance that green. Anywho, this is another layout done. And ready for the books. I will have close-ups at the end of the video, so if you're interested, please stick around. If you are interested in seeing the other layouts that I have created with this kit, please feel free to head over to my channel and look on the playlist called October 2022, and I will have all the layouts that I've completed with this kit, not just for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, but for the Christie's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches series as well. Anyway, friends, that's it. Don't forget, flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.